Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install WordPress and create your own website in just a few minutes. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your HostGent client area. Once you're logged in, go to the domain where you want to install your website. Scroll down and choose cPanel. In cPanel, look for the Software and WordPress Manager. Here, you can manage all the WordPress installations you have on your account, or you can install a new one. Click on Install, and you will see your domain name and the version of WordPress you are about to install. Set your username and password for logging into WordPress, and pick an email address to receive important information about your website. You can also choose a language and select some important plugins like Backup or Speedy Cache. For security, I recommend selecting Backup and Limit Login, and also the Classic Editor. After you've made your selections, click Install and wait a few minutes for WordPress to install on your domain. Once the installation is complete, click on Login, and you're all set. You now have your very own website. In our next video, we will show you how to build your website in just a few minutes. Stay tuned.